I needed a way to mount my cell phone in an out-of-the-way location on my motorcycle. Here's what I came up with. I removed the centerpiece off the handlebar riser so that I can create a threaded hole using the Heli Coil Kit. You just drill a hole, tap it using the tap that's included in the kit, insert your HeliCoil using the special HeliCoil tool, and if you'll note, the HeliCoil has a little tab at the bottom, a tang they call it. The tool itself will grab hold of that tang and then allow you to screw in the new threads into that hole. Run your HeliCoil insert down until it's flush and then about a half a turn further. Now you need to break that tang off the bottom of the HeliCoil insert using a punch and a hammer. Just give it a couple of light raps with a hammer and it'll break right off. Install your ram mount's 1-inch ball and tighten it down securely. Reinstall your handlebar riser centerpiece. Now install the ram mount's double socket arm and the X grip holder on top of the 1-inch ball. Now you have a system that is nearly infinitely adjustable. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.